Hey there, everybody. Thomas Wood with Basecamp Trading. It is Tuesday, August 1st, and we're going to take a look at crude oil, and more specifically, what happened here today. Crude dropped quite a bit from a high around 50.5 down to a low so far at about 48.30 or so. So pretty big move down, about 2 points. The thing you want to look at here, and the topic of today's video, is make sure you're paying attention to these markets when they get really extended, because a lot of times when you have a market that breaks out and rips very quickly, the faster it runs, the faster and more severe the retracement is going to be when it finally does pull back. And you want to pay attention to what the momentum of that market looks like as it climbs. Now, the reason this is important, if you go back and you watch yesterday's video, if you remember Basecamp Trading, or if you want to go get a trial and a $7 trial and go check the video for yourself, see this is what we were saying. We were talking about the bearish divergence last night that was occurring here, where the market jumped up higher going into the close yesterday, but it had very weak momentum. So when you see that type of thing occurring, when you see the momentum starting to die off on a market that's been ripping, I mean, you can see we jumped in a matter of a week from down around 45.40 up about 5 points. Okay, so that's a pretty big move in crude oil. Well, it had very strong momentum that entire climb until yesterday. Yesterday, when it shot to a new high, it lost all of its strength, basically. So what that tells us is, hey, be careful. This rally could be coming to an end. We look for consolidation. Now, we didn't necessarily expect a retracement of this magnitude. I didn't quite expect it to pull back 2 points, but I was looking for it. We were looking for it to pull back and test the 49.18 support, and then when it broke that, then we were looking for it to keep pushing lower. So make sure you're paying attention to, again, just to recap, make sure you're paying attention to the momentum of the market as it continues to move, especially with markets that get very extended, because the further they get extended and the faster they get extended, a lot of times the faster and further they're going to retrace when they do. All right, so that's all I have for you for today. I hope it helps. I will see you in the trading room bright and early tomorrow morning. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Help us get up to that 20,000 subscribers number. And until next time, happy trading.